So I got up this morning to a message from Tiko, basically telling me I'm going to have to take it apart just to get it to work. Apparently, I guess it's a common issue. They pretty much knew exactly what it was right away. When it gets shipped, sometimes the SD card gets ejected, gets bumped around, whatever. So I basically had to take apart the whole machine. This was supposed to be something plug and play. It wasn't. I'm not super happy about that, but I'm glad Tiko got back to me right away. So, wham bam, got it all taken apart, put back together. The motor is incredibly hard to get out. I thought I was going to break something right there, just pulling the extruder motor out. And it was also having issues connecting to my router for whatever reason. I'm not sure what the deal is with that, but whatever. I connected it via the hotspot on my phone, updated it, and got it connected to my computer. Wham bam. Now I've managed to download a GoPro session mount for my mini drone, and I started printing it now, and as I've gone and done a big noob mistake is I said no supports, and well, I'm basically printing a cube. I just threw it in there, boom boom, and I think I'm gonna have problems with it. I'm almost certain of it, but whatever, I'm just gonna let it print. I wanted to do no support because I have this little overhang thing coming out, but I have a 90-degree overhang coming up at the top of this thing, which I think is gonna get mangled. We'll find out. It's my fault, obviously, in this case. Maybe those little stringy things will hold it up just enough to get the first layer across. I'm grasping at straws. I could shut it off and restart it, but whatevs. It's my first print. I'm gonna screw it up. Whatever. And just as I had hoped, it accidentally made these kind of little raft things that held up the filament just enough so that it can kind of get a little grip to make it around that edge. I'm gonna get lucky. I think it saved itself. I'm super happy with my first print maybe actually working. I've seen a lot of screwed up ones where they move around and looks bad. I can see it kind of bumping on one little blob there, but otherwise, man, I am super happy with the way it's working now. So I'm super happy with the way my print came out. This is better than I had hoped. It did come out with one of the layer issues. I think maybe that's just because it kept banging and ticking on this one corner here. You can see it's kind of schmood. But other than that, it fits the GoPro no problem. And, well, just a little bit of cleanup, and this is what I got. A lot of hairs, but I think that's my fault. I had it set at 210 degrees, which is what the stock setting was. I think 20 nanometers or whatever the measurement is for layer height. And I just let it run it. I didn't want to mess around with anything. I just figured, let's have the plug and play user experience with somebody who doesn't know what the hell they're doing. And, well, that's kind of what I tried to get. And, well, I got a pretty good print for somebody who knows almost nothing about well, I know a little bit about 3D printing, but I haven't had any real hands-on experience. This is my first 3D printer ever. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Lots more to come.